In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through everything step by step so you can make sure that anyone who messages your business gets an instant professional reply, even when you're not online. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by logging into your Facebook account and going to your business page, then choosing the option that takes you to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're using the correct business account if you manage more than one. Once Meta Business Suite is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Inbox. This is where all your messages from Facebook and Instagram are grouped together. Give it a moment to load if you have a lot of conversations. At the top of the inbox page, you'll see a menu with different tabs. Find the one that says Automations and click on it. This is where you can set up automatic replies, away messages, and other smart tools that respond for you. On the automation screen, look for the option labeled Auto Reply. Under that section, click on Try It. This will open the setup view for an instant reply that goes out automatically whenever someone sends you a message. Next, you'll need to choose which channels you want this automation to apply to. You'll see options for Instagram, Messenger, or both. Click on the channel or channels you want to use. For example, if you want one consistent reply for all your messages, choose both. If you prefer to keep it just for Facebook Messenger, select that only. Now click into the main message field to customize your auto response. This is the text people will receive right after they contact you. Keep it clear and friendly. For example, you might say that you've received their message, your typical response time, and how they can reach you for urgent issues. You can also add media, like an image or a link, but that's optional. Read through your message carefully to make sure it sounds like your brand and sets the right expectations. When you're happy with your message, scroll down and click on Save Changes. This makes sure your edits are stored and ready to use. Finally, go to the top of the page and click on the toggle switch to turn the automation on. Once that toggle is active, your auto reply is live and will start sending to new incoming messages.